Hello students, myself Mrs. Dipali Anna Sukhot, working at Lathe Education Society, Kanpatra Arvade College of Commerce, Sangli. Students, today we are going to learn lesson number 1.4, Big Data, Big Insight. Students, in this lesson, we are going to learn what is mean by big data and the uses of big data. Before starting this lesson, we have to discuss about icebreakers. What is mean by icebreakers? Icebreaker is an activity which gives you previous knowledge about that lesson, or it helps you to give personal response questions. Students, open your textbook, page number 35. Big Data, Big Insights. On your textbook, there is one example. Here, they gave us some situations. We have to give business suggestions which helps them to get profit. Give business suggestion to the respective industry or company for the following situation. One is done for you. A. Many passengers prefer morning flights between 7 a.m. and 9 a.m. from Mumbai to Delhi. Students, in this situation, passengers are prefer to 7 a.m. or 9 a.m. to go Mumbai and Delhi. Now suggestion, increase the number of flights between 7 a.m. and 9 a.m. If we increasing the number of flights, we will get profit. B. Many students are opting for UPSC, MPSC exams. Opting means to choose or decide. Nowadays, we know that students are choosing civil services. They are taking interest in MPSC, UPSC exams. Suggestion: increase the number of coaching classes. Open publication house for books related to MPSC, UPSC exams. C. Many people go for morning walk to Kamala Nehru Park. Nowadays, people are aware for their health and they prefer to go morning walk. Suggestion: arrange yoga classes, laughter clubs, health centers. You also run juice center or restaurant at that place.
D. Many people buy clothes from Miracle.com, an online shopping site. Students, most of the people using online shopping site, people are buying clothes from these sites. Suggestion:
register or promote your products on that sites through advertise. E. The viewership on television is more between 8 p.m. and 10 p.m. Here, viewership, the audience from a particular television program or channel. Suggestion: promote your products through advertise at that time on television. Students, activity number 2. People get information from various sources. Can you name a few sources of information? Now, what is mean by sources of information? An information source is a source of information for somebody, anything that might informs a person about something and provide knowledge to somebody. Information source may be observation, people's speeches, documents, pictures, organization, etc. Here, sources of information on your textbook. First, it is Facebook. Second, Google. Most of the people are using Google. WhatsApp, Wikipedia, newspaper, radio. Students, if you have your own suggestion, write in your notebook. On next video, we will learn what is mean by big data. Thank you.